Hi everyone, we have developed a new feature for the Expert Curve modeling add-in. It will be in model mode in the new extension panel. The point deformation function only works on the ECM object. After clicking on the button, a deformation mesh is created. By default, it is half the resolution of the main mesh. You can check the box to make the grid visible in the foreground. The grid is bound to the ECM object, so you can only control the panel with the active ECM object. After creating the grid and selecting the best resolution for you, click the Bind button. Then you can deform the ECM mesh with the Deformation Mesh. You also have a button to hide the grid. This function is a perfect complement to the ECM add-in. The possibilities for creativity have been greatly expanded, and many things can now be done with this function instead of building these elements with the curve grid. Since the deformation mesh is based on the basic mesh of the ECM model, just at a lower resolution, it controls the points perfectly, allowing them to be deformed very efficiently and cleanly. I think many parts that we missed on this model can now be realized with this function. It goes without saying that this feature requires a higher resolution to do something more specific. At the moment, we have the minimum resolution here. To remove the mesh and cancel all deformations, simply click on the Active Point Deformation button. Also note that this function can only work as a final step before application, because if you have already deformed the mesh and then decide to change the resolution on the ECM object, you will reset your changes due to synchronization failure. So if your synchronization is out of sync, just recreate the grid of points. You can also change the resolution of the warp grid to whatever resolution you wish. The maximum resolution will always be equal to the resolution of the ECM object mesh itself. Maybe if I show you on a primitive, it will be more clear what the function can do. We created a deformation mesh and increased the resolution a little bit. Don't forget to bind. Thank you all for your support. Have a great day and see you in the next video.